Duck, Phoebe!
Ha! I got you!
And there's our pretty imprinted cucumber.
Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
Snowball fight! Duck, Fizzy!
Duck, Phoebe!
Oh, look! There's something pink in that snowball! What is it? What is it? I don't know! Miss Hands, can we have a hand?
Hi, Fizzy. Hi, Phoebe. Hi, everyone.
There's something in that snowball, Miss Hands!
Oh, well, don't worry. We'll take a look, shall we?
Ha! I got you!
Oh! Wow! You made me jump!
Sneaky snowball puppy! Mission accomplished!
Uh-oh! Avalanche! This is a disaster!
Brr, it sure is chilly!
We need to warm up!
With lunch!
A winter-themed lunchbox!
Let's do it!
We just have to get there first! Ah! Ah!
Whoa, that was some heavy snow. We have enough here to build a snowman.
Let's make a snowman!
Great idea, Puppy. Let's just clear some of this snow away. First, we need our ingredients. Perfect! Let's make the body of our snowman. We're gonna cut out a round circle here. And the other side of our sandwich. And we take these pieces off. Push that out. Oh, there's an extra bit there. So this is the body of our snowman. I'm going to push that to one side and we're going to cut out a smaller circle for his head. There we go. There's one. Fantastic. There's our snowman's head. And next we need to butter these. Here we go. And our other two pieces. Perfect. And now we need to fill our sandwich with, let me think, some cheese. Okay, I'm going to move that knife for a minute. And we're going to cut out our first circle, the main snowman body. There we go. Lose that. Let's put that on our sandwich there. And we can put that on the top. Pat it down. There's some more extra bits for branch. And let's cut out the head cheese. And we're going to pop that in there. Nearly forgot to put it in. Like that. Now to make this sit on the top of our snowman, I'm just going to cut out a little bit with our small round cutter. Like that. And there we go. Now, I think our snowman needs some eyes. Here we go. I have these little chocolate drops for eyes. And a carrot nose. Look at that little carrot nose. And a smiley carrot mouth. Go under there. And I've cut out this Oreo to give him a little hat. Next, some buttons down his front. Perfect. And the last thing, I think he needs some twiglets for arms. So let's see if we're gonna put one. Oh, sorry, that one broke. Let's get another one. Here we go. We push those in like that. He's perfect. Our lovely snowman. Oh no, what happened? It looks like our snowman has melted. We just better reset and make him again. These things happen. Perfect! Now we have our snowman ready to go. add him to our lunchbox.
Can we make something else? Maybe stars!
Great idea! To make our pretty stars, we just need a tiny star cutter. And some pieces of cucumber. So let's take our star cutter and make some imprints into our cucumber. I'm not going to cut all the way through. We're just going to make a pattern. Woo! There we go. And another one here. And maybe one more there. And let's do a few more. And there's our pretty imprinted cucumber. Okay, let's get our next set of ingredients. Okay, so here we have some pretzels, some chocolate marshmallows, some red-colored marshmallows, and some edible googly eyes. Can you guess what we're gonna make? Let me show you. Let's start with the marshmallow and the pretzels. We're gonna wiggle one in that side like that. Woo, there we go. And one the other side, like that. And let's put some eyes, the edible eyes. And lastly, a red nose. Do you know who it is? That's right, it's Rudolph. Should we make another? You bet. Wiggle that one in. There we go. And the eyes again. And the nose. 2 Rudolphs.
Wow, look! Their noses are glowing!
Hey, did you hear those sleigh bells? That means it's time to put our Rudolphs into the lunchbox. Now we just need some fruit.
Strawberries, strawberries, strawberries!
Oh, now Phoebe, I know strawberries are your favorite, but maybe we should try something a bit different.
Blueberries, blueberries, blueberries!
Great idea, Phoebe. Look at these beautiful blueberries. Whoa, blueberries, come back! I miss you! And what should we add in here? I know. Some pieces of carrot for Rudolph later.
Whoa, reindeer footprints! Let's follow them and see where they lead.
Oops, I'm so hungry.
Well, let's eat then! This has been the best day ever!
It has.
Duck, everyone! Woo, that was close. Right, time for lunch. No more snowballs.
Oops.
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Blah.